Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can withdraw money from Sweatcoin. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Sweatcoin application on your mobile device and just simply log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard automatically. Here you'll be able to see your assets at the top right corner. What you need to do is just simply tap on the balance at the top right corner, or you can just select the wallet icon present in the icons tray. After accessing the balance section of your account, tap on go to shop, and here you can spend your Sweatcoin on anything you like. You can also buy anything and then sell it to other people to get payment. Since you know that the shop cards change only in a while, you can have a look. You can look for Amazon gift cards to get payment directly from Sweatcoin app, and that's how you can withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.